Hi dear children, once again welcome to Moral Science class. Today we learn a new chapter which emphasizes the importance of cultivating a reading habit. Books are our best friends. Children, what is the importance of cultivating a reading habit? Reading is important because it develops your mind and gives you knowledge and lessons of life. It helps you understand the world around you better. It keeps your mind active and enhances your creative ability. Reading improves your vocabulary and develops your communication skills. Chapter 11. Books are our best friends. Books are considered as our best friends. We would like to have the company of our friends always in our lives. Good friends enable us to walk in good ways. In the same way, good books help us to find the right track in our lives. With the internet invading almost every home, whatever little time is left for reading books has disappeared. Television takes away much of our leisure time. There is hardly any sharing of information and ideas at home. Still, the value of reading books is not lost to us. Books are costly. It is not possible to possess all books. So learn to make use of your school library. Have you ever read any books in your library? If not, start to read today. Find out some time every day for reading. You can also get books from your friends. Be honest to return them after reading. It's not possible to read books on all subjects in the world. Choose those books that are really interesting to you. You can also start the habit of collecting good books which help you improve your knowledge. John was surprised when the postman delivered a parcel to him. He had just come back from school, tired and depressed. The annual examination was around the corner and he was growing nervous. Examinations always frightened him. However well he prepared himself, he usually scored poor marks. It was not because he was not intelligent, but because he could not organize himself to face examinations. The parcel contained an unexpected item, a book titled Face Life with Challenges. He wanted to face life with challenges. So he read that book and noted the main ideas. There were different methods to prepare oneself to face examinations. He found the notes useful. There were many case studies of students who overcame their examination fear. John found them interesting and useful. He then started to prepare for examinations by following the instructions of the book. He made a list of important points to remember. On the day of the examination, there was no usual fear or nervousness. When the result was announced, John scored better than all his previous examinations. This made him to change his life. Thereafter, there was no looking back. He went on to score better in the examinations of higher classes. We need to find time to read every day. If you do not read, you will find yourself pushed far behind. Then you will begin to hate yourself. So develop the habit of reading. You will soon find that books are your best friends. If you have good friends, there is no doubt that your life will be on the right track. Children, now understand the meaning of these words and phrases. Round the corner, about to begin or happen. In this chapter, we have seen that annual examination was around the corner. What's the meaning of this? The annual examination was about to begin. Round the corner, about to begin or happen. See the next word, organize. to plan or arrange, organize. Challenges. Challenges means something difficult that forces you to make a lot of effort. Be on the right track. What's the meaning of this phrase, be on the right track? Doing something correctly or well. Okay, doing something in the correct manner. That's what the meaning of be on the right track. Okay, read and understand the meaning of these words. And let us try to remember these main points from this chapter. Books are our best friends. Like good friends, good books help us to find the right track in our lives. Find out some time every day for reading. Choose books that are interesting to you. You can also start the habit of collecting books which help you improve your knowledge. The library is the best place to begin the habit of reading books. See, these are some of the main points that we have learned in this chapter. Okay, let us read once again. Books are our best friends. Like good friends, good books help us to find the right track in our lives. Find out some time every day for reading. This is very important. Okay, choose books that are interesting to you. You can also start the habit of collecting books which help you improve your knowledge. The library is the best place to begin the habit of reading books. Children, here you are given something to do which will help you and your friends to improve yourself. First one, find some good books and write down any new information which you get from them. Second, give a good book to your friend who doesn't have the habit of reading books. Make your life to be the happiest by cultivating the reading habit. Read the lesson carefully and try to do the given activities. Thank you.